अगर आप क्लास 10th में हो तो इस वीडियो को अभी सेव करो. Let's start 100 question series. Question number 28. A cubical block of side 7 cm is mounted on a hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter the sphere can have? Find the surface area of combined solid. Right. So first of all, you can see that the greatest diameter that the sphere can have is obviously equal to the side of the cube. Correct? It should be equal to the side of the cube. Now the total surface area of the combined solid will be the total surface area of the cube minus the base area of the hemisphere, right? Because that area is actually covered. So we have to remove that base circular area and we can add the curved surface area of the hemisphere, right? So let's do it. Total surface area of cube will be 6 into side square, that is 6 into 7 square minus base area pi r square. So pi into 3.5 square, and then curved surface area of the hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. So 2 pi 3.5 square. So if you simplify this, you'll get 332.5 square centimeter. That's the answer.